20 most demanding and profitable agri ideas in India. Agriculture sector is a very large and vast sector which includes many other things like forestry, animal husbandry and fisheries. If agriculture related business is done with passion and commitment, then you can earn very good income from it. Dairy business. The demand for milk as well as milk products always remains high. Hence we can say that dairy business is the most profitable agri-business in India. To start a dairy business, you need a good capital investment and some guidance from dairy experts. But if done with full passion, it gives very good business. Mushroom farming. The business of mushroom farming can give you more profit in less time. Moreover, it can be done in less expense and less space. The demand for mushroom has increased these days in hotels, restaurants, as well as homes. Production of organic manure. These days, preparing vermicompost and organic fertilizer have become a domestic business. This business can be done in low capital investment. All you need to have is little awareness of its production process. Fertilizer distribution business. This business can be done easily by people living in small cities or rural areas. In fertilizer distribution business, you have to plan to buy fertilizers from big cities and sell them in rural areas. Dry flower business. In the past 10 years, there has been a great increase in the trade of dried flowers. If you have a vacant land, you can cultivate flowers in it and dry them and sell them to craft stores or those who are fond of flowers. Tree farming. From tree farms, you can earn profits by growing and selling trees. In this business, it takes a long time till the trees grow, due to which the business and its profit will also take time. But it comes under the category of a good and profitable agriculture business. Hydroponic retail store. The use of hydroponics technology is increasing very fast these days. In hydroponic system, plants or crops are cultivated without soil. In this business, you can sell many hydroponics equipment in one place. Organic greenhouse. The growth of organic greenhouse business is also very good because these days the demand for organic grown products is high. Earlier, this business was being done on small scale, but with increasing demand, people are now buying land to build organic greenhouses. Tea leaf plantations. Due to the increasing demand for tea leaves, a person can earn good profit through this business. But for growing tea leaves, the choice of weather and place is very important. Though capital investment in this business is high, the profit is also very high. Beekeeping. As many people today have become health conscious, the demand for honey is also increasing. Thus, beekeeping is also a profitable agri-business. However, to start beekeeping, you will have to undergo training. Export of fruits and vegetables. Here all you need to do is buy fruits and vegetables from local farms or farmers and supply them to big cities or urban areas. Export of fruits and vegetables is a very profitable business with low investment. Cultivation of medicinal herbs. Cultivation of medicinal plants and herbs is yet another profitable agriculture business. If you have basic knowledge of medicinal plants and you have enough land, then you can earn good profits from its cultivation. At the same time, government also offers subsidies for cultivating medicinal plants. Maize farming. Corn or maize has emerged as the most versatile crops. It can be grown under different climatic conditions. By selecting good quality seeds of maize, you will get bumper yield, which in return will give you good money. Spices processing. Demand for organic spices is all over the world. We need spices at home also. Its processing and packaging process is not very difficult and can be started with less capital investment. Goat rearing. The goat rearing business is very popular and profitable all across the world due to the high demand for its meat. The best thing is that goat rearing can be done in low capital investment. Potato powder business. Potato powder is extensively used in snack food industry. It is now being used in all types of dishes that require mashed potatoes. It is also used in making vegetable gravy and soup. Cultivation of vegetables. If you have cultivable land and people who can work on it, then you can start growing different vegetables. Good quality and high yields can lead to good profits. soya bean cultivation. Many types of food items like soy milk, soy flour, soy sauce, soybean oil, etc. are prepared from soybean. If you have vacant land, then you can earn profit by cultivating soybean in it. Certified seed dealer. You can also start selling good quality or certified seeds. To do this business, some procedures have to be completed. There is no need to invest much capital in it. Production of potato chips. The demand for French fries and potato chips is constantly increasing all over the world, hence you can think of starting potato chips business. It is a very profitable business that can be started with low capital investment. Team Krishi Sanjeevani.